Let me introduce the Korea National Arboretum. The Korea National Arboretum is Korea's leading forest species research institute and plays a variety of roles for plants and ecosystems. The National Arboretum is responsible for the investigation, collection, propagation, and conservation of forest plants, as well as the collection, classification, production, and storage of forest biological specimens. It also cooperates with domestic and foreign arboretums, secures exploration of useful plants, registers information on forest plant resources, and manages the inflow and outflow. It is also responsible for public education and promotion of forest and preservation of Gwangnam Forest. It is also a national research institute belonging to the Forest Service, which protects and manages Gwangnam Forest, which has been preserved for more than 550 years since 1468, which was designated as King Sejo, the great king of Joseon dynasty. Now we are here in front of the visitor center. Here there is a forest interpretation center to help you understand the biodiversity and ecological characteristics of Gwangnam Forest, and the information center to inquire visit to Korea National Arboretum, and various tools to experience nature are displayed. Now we can see a kids academy by the name of 숲이 오래. Kids Academy 숲이 오래 has created a space where children can make friends with various forest creatures such as trees, grass, flowers, birds, and insects to realize the importance of nature. It is a place to play and learn, awaken your senses, and explore various experience spaces such as rain garden, pollinate garden, kitchen garden, and roof garden, play garden, and you can see Bee and Little Prince photogen, etc. You can also develop ecological sensitivity here in Kids Academy 숲이 오래. Let me introduce climbing plants and hydrangeal garden. Climbing plant and hydrangeal garden is made up of vines that climb up other objects such as walls and trees by creating adhesive disc and hydrangea with various flowers colors. Vines are used in many ways for functional uses such as gardening, herbal medicine, food ingredients. Hydrangea has blue flowers in acidic soils and red flowers in alkalic soils, and therefore many types are used as garden materials around the world. Now we are going to look around the ornamental tree garden. There are 125 species of 47 families, such as Korean Stewartia, Korean fir, which have ornamental value that have beautiful leaves, flowers, and types of the trees. Now I'd like to introduce the reforestation monument. This monument was established on the 66th Arbor Day, April 1992, to commemorate the success of the reforestation project from 1973 to 1987. and to reward dedicated efforts to all the people in restoring deforested national lands. Former President Roh Tae-woo personally inscribed the writing on the monument at 7.2 meters in height. This is the Winter Garden. With the theme of winter, spring, summer, fall, and winter once again, the exhibition is created by reconstructing the work of 6 artists through the garden competition. This exhibition garden is constituted for areas as winter garden, tree bark, texture garden, fruit garden, color garden. We would like to introduce you our exhibition garden with East Asian white birch, Walter Stogood's color of its bark, form of linden viburnum, purple beauty berries fruit, and the texture of purple reedgrass, tufted hairgrass that may be seen in winter time. Now we are here in front of the aquatic plants garden. The aquatic plants garden is a pond shaped like the Korean peninsula, where plants that grow around or in water are planted according to the depth of the water. And the island is also built and water-friendly tall trees such as metasequoia are planted to create colorful view. Most of the pond is filled with water lilies, and various aquatic plants are arranged according to the depth of the water. Visitors can check out the ecosystem on the water up close and also see the birds that come and visit the aquatic plants. Okay, let's hike together the Syrup Garden. Syrup Garden is a place that exhibits short Korean syrup that are collected for preservation, plant education, and research. The exhibition garden is arranged depending on scenic elements and features such as blooming time, colors of flowers and fruits, and winter leaf colors, etc. And various sceneries can be enjoyed by season at the height of the year. Let's look around the hosta garden. The hosta garden exhibits hosta that grows wild in Korea together with a variety of other cultivated hosta species. Hosta comes into ivory or light purple flowers in the summer, and its leaves have various sizes and patterns. The leaves are even more beautiful than its flowers, and so many types of hosta are being used as garden materials around the world. In the hosta garden, including a variety of wildflowers, visitors can comfortably appreciate the scenery on the shades offered by trees in a small resting area. There is a beautiful daylily garden near Syrup Garden. The daylily garden is a space that exhibits daylilies that adapted to the Korean environment among domestic and foreign hemerocallis plants. Various species have been developed around the world, and they are being used for horticulture and food. Cuisines using flowers and it is commonly known in Korea as an edible herb in the spring. A flower withers in just one day after blooming, but in a group of daylilies, there are up to 10 or more flower stalks that blossom sequentially, and so they can be maintained for more than 20 days. Therefore, people can enjoy various colored flowers for a long time during the summer season.